Hi, in this session we will see how to do the screen enhancement for the transaction code XD01 that is used for the creation of customer master. So our objective is to add the new fields in the KNA1 table and display that on the transaction code XD01, 02 and 03. So the method of implementation is a combination of SPRO plus ABAP plus body. Using this combination, we can do this enhancement. So what are the steps involved in this? The very first point is, as the customer master table is KNA1, the first we have to add the custom fields in the KNA1 table with appended structure. Second, we have to create a module pool program with the subscreens and the custom fields which we have added in KNA1 that we have to add on this layout. Then with the SPRO we have to create a screen group. After that there are two bodies. We can find that through SPRO only, that is customer underscore add underscore data and customer underscore add underscore data CS. This is filter body. This we have to implement. Okay, so before doing this we will see the screen of XD01. Go to XD01. Here we can see the tab is scene details. So new fields will come here in a tab. Okay, go back. Now as the very first point is to add the fields in the KNA1 table. So we'll add those 6 fields, that is co-applicant and the power of attorney. Go to SC11, enter the database table as KNA1, click on display, append structure, here click on create, give the name as ZZ Co-app. It is used for a real estate company, that is co-applicant table. Press enter, enter co-applicants and POA, save in a package. Now I will be adding those fields. This is the co-applicant 1 name, co-applicant 1 mobile number, co-applicant 1 email, then POA 1 name, mobile and email. Those 6 fields I will be adding here. Let me check if I can copy paste here. Yes, okay, this will work. Okay, so what I done, I added 6 fields for co-applicant 1 name, mobile and email. Similarly for the POA 1, so those 6 fields I added in this structure. This is data type char 50, char 10, 50, 50, 10, 50. Okay, so you can add as per your business requirement. Save, check and activate. Once you activate the append structure, this may take some long time for the activation as this is a standard table. So that's why sometimes it takes a lot of time for the activation. So in this way we are finished with the first part. Okay, now what we will do, we'll create a module build program with subscreens on it and we'll add those new fields on that subscreen. Okay, we'll create 2 subscreens. First let this activated. System is taking a lot of time. the structure is activated. Okay, now we can go to KNA1 table. This we can see here at the bottom. Okay, now in the KNA1 table at the bottom we can see our new fields, okay, which we have added to our structure. Now if you display any table, any record, okay, just run as it is. So you can see our new fields are here. Okay, now go to SC38 and create a program. Okay, let's create one ZZcast_XD01. Okay, so this is the program name I'm creating here. Click on create icon. We have to create a multiple program. Okay, for KNA1 custom fields, select type as M, that is model pool. Just add KNA1 table here. Save and activate. Click on display object list. Right click here, create screen. The screen number will give as 9000. This should be first give the name, that is co-applicant. This will be a subscreen. Okay, save and activate. Click on the layout. What we'll do, we'll create two subscreen, one for co-applicant and the second one is for the POA, that is power of attorney. Okay, so we'll be creating two subscreens. Take a box here. Click on dictionary program fields, KNA1 -set get from dictionary. So we'll take first three fields on this screen, 1, 2 and 3, that is name, mobile number and email ID. Okay, just take, sorry, so we have to add text for that. The first one is Tico app name. Take the second as mobile. And the third one as email ID. Okay, so in this way we have added three fields on this screen. Okay, save it. Okay, one more thing here, as in case of XD03 we want to display the field in display mode. That's why we'll group together in a common group. Here add the group as Z1. All the fields should be in same group. That will make coding easy. Z1. Okay, so we have added all fields on the screen. Save and activate. Now here in the flow logic, module modify underscore screen, double click here, we'll be creating in the same include ZZ cus underscore XD01. So what we want, if the site equal is, if site equal contain string 3, and if then loop at screen and loop. Now if screen group 1 equal to Z1, which we are given on the screen field. So what we have to do, screen input equal to 0, modify screen. Okay, so what this will do, the site equal contain string 3, that is XD03, then this will make all the fields with the screen group 1 as Z1 for input equal to 0, that is in the display mode. Now right click again here, create, give the name as 9001, we'll add as POA, subscreen, save, activate, click on layout. The same way, just we have done for the applicant, the same way we'll add the field for power of attorney. Okay, go to dictionary, select the bottom 3 fields now, that is POA, okay, POA, just drag and drop on the screen. Now take 3 text field, that is POA name, second will be the mobile number, TPOA mobile, and the third will be the email ID. If you're using the data element, then you don't have to do all these things. Okay, that all label will come from data element. Okay, as I have not used data element, that's why I have to go text manually. Now group together all in the same, that is Z1. Z1. Okay, so what we have done here, we have created 2 subscreens. Go to flow logic. Here we will use the same module, that is module modify underscore screen. Okay, as it is already there, so we don't have to create it. Okay, this will get called. Go back, activate the main program from the top level, ZZ cus underscore XD01. Okay, now we have done with the second step. We're done with these steps. Okay, now we'll go for SPRO. Now SPRO, go to SAP reference IMG, click on Logistic General. Under this there is business partner. Go to customer, then under customer control, under control there is adoption of customer own data fields. Okay, here the first, prepare modification free enhancement of customer master record. Execute this. Here those are the other screen groups. We have to add our new screen group. We'll give Z1, co-applicant and POA. Save in a request. Now select this group and double click on label tab pages. So here we have to give our screen number which you have created. Okay, so I think we have created 9000 and 9001. Okay, and the function code will be, let's say, tab 1 and tab 2, and the description of the tab will be co-applicants and power of attorney. Save, go back. Okay, so here we have done with the third step, create screen group in SPRO. Now we'll go for this body implementation, customer add underscore data. Okay, for that, business IDs, processing of master data enhancement. Execute this. So here we have to create an enhancement export. Click on create icon, create implementation. Creating body implementation for body customer underscore add underscore data of enhancement export customer underscore add underscore data. Press enter. Give the enhancement implementation name. You can give any name. So here I will be giving z underscore customer underscore add underscore data 4. I am giving here for KNA1 custom fields. Let me copy this name, z customer underscore add underscore data 4. Save in a package. Give the body implementation name. You can use the same name. The body definition is here. Press enter. Now here, expand this. Double click on the implementation class. So we can see this is the interface and this is implementing class. Okay, what we have to do, we have to activate all the methods, okay, one by one, and finally we have to add our logic only in the last method, but we need to activate all. Okay, so we'll do one by one. Okay, first let me activate this. Now double click here, click on yes. Just activate, don't do anything. Okay, go back. For the second one, build text from chain. Activate, go back. Now the third one, that is check all data. Activate, go back, save data. After that is check data change. Then initialize add-on. No need to do anything inside this. Okay, just go and activate all. Read data add-on. Activate. Check account number. Go back. Modify account number. Preset values. The next one. Okay. The second last, that is get change document for. Activate. Now as I told you in the last method, that is check add-on active, we have to add our code here. So what code we will write? Now if you see here in the inputting parameter, we are getting the screen group in the input, and also there is a changing parameter. This is changing parameter, so we can change this. Okay, so what group we have created in the SPRO? That is Z1. So what we'll write here, if screen group equal to Z1, then what we have to do, we'll make this add-on active as enable. Okay, 7 activate. Now in this way we have implemented the first body. Okay, so we implement this body, the implementation will be called. Okay, now go back. So we are done with this part. See, this implementation is active. Now business add-ins customer service screen. Double click here, create a new implementation. So here it is customer underscore add underscore data CS. This is the filter body. Okay, so in the same way we have to implement this body. Give the enhancement name as 4 custom fields KNA1, press enter. So in the same request, you can give the same name here. Here also we have to implement all the methods. Expand this, double click here. Here we have to implement all the method, and we will be writing our code in this block, that is get underscore taxi underscore screen. Determine screen for tabs. Okay, the first implement one by one all. Just go and activate. Go back. Go for the third one. We have to write our code inside this. First we'll implement the last method, then we'll come back. Okay, first implement this, activate. Now in this method, that is get underscore taxi screen, we have to add some code. So what is that code? Now as we have given the function code as tab 1 and tab 2. Okay, so this will be the function code. So what we have to write, case I taxi code when tab 1, when tab 2. Okay, end case. So this is the importing parameter I underscore taxi underscore function code, the function code which we have given the SPRO path. Okay, so when tab 1, so what we have to do, we have to set a screen. Which screen we have created? That is 9000. Okay, and second is the program name. Which program we have created? In SAP we have created one program, multiple program. Okay, so this is the program name. Okay, so when the tab 1 will be pressed, this screen will get called, and in case of tab 2, we can have multiple tabs as per business requirement. 9001. Okay, save, check, activate. Now as this is the filter body, so we have to get the filter criteria. Double click here, click on create combination, create filter combination. Double click here. What combination we want? The custom string group. Which string group? That is Z1 equal to, okay, so only this filter value we have to add. The string group is Z1, then execute this body. Save and activate. Okay, so in this way we have activated. This is the active implementation. Go back. Now again go to XD01 T code. Remove the company code. So you can see the new tab is here. So first we'll add the basic information. Okay, click on co-applicant / POA. Earlier this tab was not there. Okay, so you can see our new tab here. Enter the name. Go to tab 2, POA, enter the number. Okay, go to general data, save. Now you can see the account 104 has been created. Now go to SA16, KNA1, I forget the number, vector, I think 104, yes, 104. So at the last we can see our data is here. Okay, now in case of T code XD03, the field should be in display mode. Go to XD03, press enter. So we can see the fields are in display mode. Okay, so in this way we have seen how to do the SAP enhancement for the customer master screen, that is XD01. So in this way we have finished this session. Thank you.